what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love.
To Michael's to see what we find. Hey guys, happy Tuesday. Today is Tuesday and we just actually got out of Target. I went in there because I needed to get some things. I needed to get my baby some shampoo, and then my mom wanted actually also a couple of things. So I did actually stop by Michael's and I just checked out their decor for Halloween because they actually already have things out, which is so crazy. And then I stopped by Homegoods to just take a look around and see what they had. And right now we actually are gonna be heading home because my husband's probably already home. And yeah, that's pretty much what we have been doing today. My son is in the back drinking his juice. It's so hot today. Well, it's not actually too bad. It's 82 degrees, so I guess it's not too bad. But I got myself Starbucks. I got the passion dragon fruit. I don't even know what it's called, but I got that one with the coconut milk, and it's so good. I love this drink. If you guys haven't tried it, try it. I also told them to add a little bit of extra coconut milk onto it, so it's really good. It's pretty much what we've been up to today. I actually took my son's bath in the morning, so he's all pretty much ready to go and stuff, but I think he's getting tired because he's pretty fussy. He's been pretty fussy when we were at Target and then HomeGoods. There he goes. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and drive home now and see if he wants to take a nap before we go to my in-laws house, because today is actually my mother-in-law's birthday.